Hello everyone, now we'll see how to use animation on any element like H1. You can use on body tag, on uh, paragraph tag, many tags you can use. That tags are nothing but called as element. Now here we will animate that is text color. Okay, so for that, by using internal CSS, so internal CSS is always declared in head section. Okay, so it is declared in head section by using which tag? Style tag. So in between this, now we are using animation. That is animation is nothing but a property, CSS property. So you can use animation property with any element. Now animation I had used with H1 element. Now I want to change the color at specified interval. So for that, animation is nothing but shorthand property for many sub properties, like it has duration, it has then a timing function, then how much time you want to play that animation. Many sub properties animation has, so you can write this way. So how to write? Now I want to change the color of text and to animate that text at specified intervals. So for that, how to write? Now here H1 I had written, padding means a space from all around the text, how much you want, 10 pixels. So this is what, if you want to skip that you can skip. Animation is a property I had used with H1. So animation is a property, give the name. Now I want to apply this animation style so to H1. For that you have to give in keyframe. Okay, but before that we'll see this change. This is a name of animation. You can give any animation name to animate that element. Okay, and 2s, that is 2 seconds. For 2 seconds you can change, you can give in milliseconds also, in seconds also. You can change the number, 3 second, 4 second, any number of second you want to change the cycle of that animation. One means here we are saying after 2 seconds the animation cycle, in 2 seconds animation cycle should get complete. Alternate is nothing but a direction of animation. So here alternate I had used. There are one more direction we have here, and this is nothing but animation speed, how you want a curve, how much, which type of, in which speed animation should run. So as is default value. You can use many here animation function, like is in, is hyphen in, is hyphen out. Is means the animation speed should be slow while starting, and fast during completion of the first cycle. And is in, we'll see one by one that afterwards. So is in, is out, is in, out. Then we have many animation functions, and this 3 means I want to play this animation 3 times. If I say infinite, so the color of text will change infinite times. Okay, so you can give, so this you can many properties it has. So we had used these properties. Now here, now we want to specify. So how animation, at which interval it should change the animation, one set of CSS to another sequence. So here at the rate keyframe is used. At the rate keyframe is used with animation name, so that it has animation code like how you want. Now here whatever I am writing here, change, see here, change. So whatever we are writing in this animation code will get affected to H1 tag. So we will change the color of text whatever is written in H1 tag. So 0 percentage is a keyword, is a keyframe selector, that how you want to change one sequence of animation to another. You can write 0, 100 also, or you can write from to, this way also. So you can use any number of percentage. Here it is, I had given 4 percentage. Now 0, it should start from 0%. That is keyframe separator color green. So after this much interval, one completion of the changing color, then next set of CSS should start at 25% red. It should change to red. So you can change these numbers. Now we'll see. Now here this is closed, so this is important. Animation name should match here, so that we want to apply to h1. Okay, now here in body tag I had written h1. This is a text message on the web page. So here in this text effect will happen of animation. So change text color will change gradually. Here any number of attributes you can get, is not only one. You can put semicolon and put more attribute, is nothing but you can say property of CSS. Now we'll run this. Now see, this color of text is changing gradually. Okay, because I had given infinite, so it will play again and again. So if I say it should play only 2 times, so I will change here the value of playing how much times we want. That is called animation count. If I say 2 times, only 2 times it will play, means this cycle will be played 2 times. See, and after how much duration one cycle is getting completed, 2 seconds. If I say 1 in 1 second, so it will be very fast. See, okay, so this is the options. So you can use here as in, this is nothing but a speed. Okay, how you want the speed of animation, so I can change. So I will change here infinite again, and is in. See now how. See, means animation is in means the starting of animation will be slow, then it will be fast. If I say is out, so animation end will be slow. Okay, so is in, is out, is in, out, you can use many. Okay, and here this is nothing but direction of you can say animation. Thank you, hope you understood. You can see this again codes. Okay, so h1 animation, these are all the sub properties. So we are using here all CSS properties. We are applying animation effect to the text for changing color. You can apply to any element. Okay, so thank you, hope you understood. You can see output again. Thank you.